myself. It's too heavy to... I did roll it. I rolled it once. It's too damn heavy. I don't want to do it again. I need to stand it up on its side. So that side's down. So what I did was I wrapped the chain around, pinned it with one honking big bolt, and then I've got the other end of the chain tied to the bobcat. This is either going to be sheer genius or it's going to be an epic fail. So I thought I'd videotape it. Hang on. Here's the chain. I have no idea which way this is going to go. I got you in my right hand. Sorry it's shaky, but can't be avoided. You can see this now, the mill's moving. See if I can Jesus Christ. See if I can nudge this a little bit. I think if I had that stop up a little higher, it would have gone. It would have gone right over. I think this stop's too low. Now it's really too low. Now they're both too low. Crap. Okay, take two. I think that's where I need to be. Check it first before I shut this off. Ugh. Not easy getting in that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I am good. Look at that. This is... I can use this or not. I can't. The handle's out too far. Alright. Well, we'll use this instead. Got pine pitch all over my hands. All right. I think that's all I needed. Ugh. I think that's what I needed. Did it stay? It stayed. Nice. That's how you turn a log. Sort of.